So hello guys, good morning. This is Ride with Bosun. Today's content is about engine oil na ginagamit natin sa ating motor, especially Raider 150 Fi. So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung oil na binili ko. So first time kong gagamitin to. The same oil also with the Suzuki Genuine Oil, 10W40, and the most important is MA. So nakalagay rito na high quality X-Star. So first time nating gagamitin yung oil na to, so titingnan natin kung maganda nga talaga siya sa makina. So yung EPI classification niya is SL. Alright. So before refilling the oil of this engine, make sure na itong volt na yan volt na yan yung drainage or drain volt na engine oil filter. Alright, so see to it na itong volt na to is naka standard grip or naka fully grip na hindi siya magli-leak. Okay. So this is the engine oil filter. See to it guys na malinis yung loob bago nyo ilagay yung filter na to. Alright, so be careful sa mga engine oil filter na para talaga sa motor. Okay, baka maibigay sa inyo yung engine oil filter na para sa ibang motor. Alright, so palatandaan may hole. So sa loob ito, so meron siyang lagayan din ng hole na to, so insert mo lang doon. Tapos meron siyang spring na ito yung magtutulak sa engine oil filter nito. Alright, so subukan natin. So yun nga guys, before you filling up, before kayo maglagay ng engine oil, so make sure na mahigpit ng lahat. Mahigpit na mahigpit. Hindi naman sobrang higpit dahil makabalos trade. Alright, dandahan lang. I-feel nyo lang na alright na. Okay na. Okay. So, meron na tayong engine oil filter. Mahigpit na yung dalawang volt. Mahigpit na rin yung volt dito sa ilalim. Yung volt na to, yung drain volt, mahigpit na rin. So, make sure na mahigpit na bago kayo lagay ng oil. Okay, so ilalagay natin yung so ito yung ano ko guys, yung imbudo. So ito yung galing sa turotat ng anak ko, kinuha ako. Ito yung ginamit kong imbudo. Alright, so ilalagay natin dito later. So first guys, ilalagay na natin yung 1 litro. Wala ko yung camera man. Grabe, may mamugin na yan. So pag nag-refill kayo ng oil, kailangan nyo bumili talaga to para sakto talaga yung ilalagay yun na remaining. So yung capacity ng engine oil ng Raider is 1.3. So dahil nagpalit ka ng engine oil filter, you need additional 100 ml na oil. Okay, so maglalagay tayo dito ng 100 ml. So yun guys, finish na tayo mag-fill up ng engine oil. So ngayon, try nating i-center stand lang, tapos painitin yung makina, tapos i-try nating i-shift gear kung smooth na smooth nga yung oil na to na X-Star Suzuki. So, let's get it on. Guys, tapak ako first gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Fifth gear, fourth gear, and neutral.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they